I was able to do that. I did it for like 3 months, and I was following her on social media too, and by the grace of God today I can say I'm a saved ReMar nurse. Thank you, Professor Regina. Thank you, Pastor Mark. And I want to say thank you to all the team members. Thank you for everything you are doing for nurses all over the world in helping them to achieve their dream of becoming a USRN. My name is Toyi from Nigeria. I enrolled with ReMar and I wrote my NCLEX last month, July, and I passed at 150. Even though I have other resources I've been using, but I want to assure you that if you are a virtual learner and you want something straight to the point, not cumbersome stuff, and to prepare you in 4 to 6 weeks to be able to write your exams, go for ReMar. I was able to do that. I did it for like 3 months, and I was following her on social media too, and by the grace of God today I can say I'm a saved ReMar nurse. And I just want to encourage all the young ones there, because I finished my school. I finished my general nursing 2000, my midwifery 2002, so I've been out of school for 23 years, even though along the line I've been doing other programs. But I just want to encourage you that no matter how long you have left school, don't allow the fear to keep you in writing NCLEX. Just get ReMar, and I assure you by the grace of God you will pass your NCLEX, just like she usually say that you can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX. And I assure you, you will pass NCLEX. By the grace of God, God has helped me. Today I'm a ReMar saved nurse, and so you can too. You can become one of the saved nurses. Thank you, Professor Regina. Thank you, Pastor Mark. I am so grateful. Bye.